The poor state of Oba-Ile Road has for a long time posed as a nightmare to residents of the community, as social and economic activities were at the lowest ebb, while motorists patronize mechanic workshop frequently to fix their cars as a result of the damage done by the bad road. Speaking to journalists when he visited the construction work site, Ondo State Commissioner Engineer Boye Adegbenro was optimistic that the new contractor will deliver. He appealed to residents of the community to bear some of the inconveniences they may encounter while the construction work is going on, as electricity poles, wires and water pipes will be affected. The project site engineer, CGC Construction Company, Engineer Eric Shaw, assured residents of Oba-Ile community that they will take advantage of the dry season to complete the work.
We promise we will submit the high standard job on time. If no delays of such like weather and such other conditions, we will deliver the job on time.
Spokesperson for the community, Mr. Michael Adeniyi, expressed satisfaction with the pace of work, stressing that Oba-Ile community will remain grateful to government for remembering them.
They're very happy for what is happening here. You see, it has been, Mr. Governor has been doing this all over the state. But now, further down to my own constituency, and I'm happy.
The 9-kilometer Oba-Ile Community Road, stretching from Fiwasaye Mobile to the Akure Airport, is expected to be completed in 18 dry months. Pius Nsogo reporting.